Hey everyone, and welcome back. Last time, we built our dream store. Now it's time to fill it with hot products that will have customers clicking buy. In this video, we'll unveil product research secrets to find profitable items and reliable dropshipping suppliers. Identifying trending products. Imagine stocking your store with products everyone wants. That's the power of trend spotting. Here are some tips. Social media buzz. Look for products trending on platforms like TikTok or Instagram. See what people are talking about and excited about. Online marketplaces. Explore popular marketplaces like Amazon or Etsy to see what's selling well. Product research tools. Consider using free or paid tools like Google Trends or Jungle Scout to identify trending products and analyze their sales potential. Finding reliable dropshipping suppliers. Now, let's source those winning products. Here are key steps to find reliable dropshipping suppliers. Online directories. Explore online directories like SaleWho or Doba that list verified dropshipping suppliers. Supplier websites. Research individual supplier websites. Look for clear product descriptions, minimum order quantities, and competitive pricing. Reviews and ratings. Read reviews and check ratings from other dropshippers to gauge the supplier's reliability and customer service. Pro tip: building relationships. Don't just pick the first supplier you find. Contact a few potential suppliers, ask questions about their shipping times, communication policies, and return procedures. Building a good relationship with a reliable supplier is crucial for your dropshipping business's success. Conclusion: by combining trend spotting and smart supplier sourcing, you'll have a winning product selection that keeps customers coming back for more. In the next video, we'll dive into marketing strategies to get your amazing products seen by the world. Stay tuned and happy sourcing.